Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a new update on Instagram that allows you to enable comments notifications from everyone, right on your PC. If you want to stay updated with every comment your posts receive, follow these simple steps. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. You can do this by visiting the Instagram website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that appears as 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the More icon. Go ahead and click on it to access more options. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll find various options to customize your experience on Instagram. After you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This section allows you to manage how you receive notifications for different activities on Instagram. Now click on Push Notifications. This is where you can adjust notifications for comments, likes, and more. Finally, scroll down to the section labeled Comments. You'll see options for who you wish to receive notifications from. Click on it and select From Everyone to ensure you get notifications for comments from all users, not just your followers. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled comments notifications from everyone on Instagram using your PC. You won't miss out on any interactions with your posts moving forward. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.